Shubor naga Snem jong Nongtrei Hima.
La Henreo Snem Kinti, ke Executive Committee jong ke Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, hapo ke Jinyalam uba Thombor Shiwat Chief Executive Member, kala Wanrah ya ke Mang Tyngka ke Duna, pisa na ke dao jong ke Jingkang Ti Doyong ke Balakta, ya ke Pla Tyngka jong ke Council. Kumban Shupen Kin Mau, ke Executive Committee hapo ke Jinyalam jong uba Thombor Shiwat, kala Wanrah ya ke Mang Tyngka ke Duna na ke deficit budget, ho Snem arajar khat khandai, arajar arpo, arpuwe, arpuar, bat arpulai, bat nakadaw bala penjalan ni ka portray kam jong ki MDC sa Henreu benai, kumta uba Shiwat ulaya olat ban Wanrah biang ni ka Mang Tyngka ka ba Henreu, bat kataru ka Duna pisa. Haba Wanrah ya ka Mang Tyngka na ka bentaw Snem arajar arpusaw, arpusan hagas ngi ningkong jong ka dorbar Mang Tyngka na ka budget session uba Shiwat ulaya tho, ka jingyo pisa ka basu anta na ka estimate receipt kalong arspa saw klor henre pulai lak ar pulai hajar sanspa Tyngka nega jingpenlut pisa ka basu anta nega estimated expenditure ka bahado arspa khat pra klor ar pu ar lak henre po hajar lai spa Tyngka bat kumta ka jingmang Tyngka kalong ka Duna pisa hado khat lai klor san pu kendai lak lai pu henre hajar praspa Tyngka. Uliat ho ka jingyo lum khajna ni jing don jing em jong ka council ka long ar pu khandai klor lai pu pra lak ar pu lai jar praspa Tyngka pa naga baha lingba ka khajna ka sarkar ka long khandai pu hnyo klor san pho lak Tyngka bat ki jingra pisa lingba ka sarkar ki long hnyo pu hnyo klor hnyo pu saw lak khandai pu khandai hajar hnyo spa Tyngka uba Shiwat ulo ong ba baro ki jingyo lum khajna jong ka council ho Snem arajar arpu lai kalong shispa khat lai kelur henre pu ar lak sampun re hajar henre pu saw Tyngka kata na baro ka jing penlut ka balakot sha ka shispa khat nyo kelur prapu wei lak prapu pra hajar shispa prapu san Tyngka ya ka jing Duna ka ba saw kelur khat khandai lak sampu ar hajar shispa arpu wei Tyngka lala ban clean ka batam haki Snem ki bala dem halor ki bha na ki khajna bala yo apjang na ka sarkar jilla Snem arajar arpulai arpusaw u chief executive member ulong baki isi lingba ka jing beteng borba kala yo ban lum khajna hado sapu henreu kelur henre pulai lak nyo po jar san spa Tyngka ni ki marpo khndo ki ba kongsan ban khat lai kelur khandai po henreu lak prapu henreu hajar san spa khat khandai ni ki marpo khndo ki barit kat bang ki khajna lingba ki kali kalong da khat saw klor san po lak khandai pu lai hajar lai spa khat khandai Tyngka ya ki bala yo kat kum ka khajna hadu minta usi amula ong ba ka executive committee kala shimru yi sinjam ban penyari ka jingyo lum khajna na ka benta ka council kani kan kenthop alor ka jing Wanrah ya ka JHADC ya ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council Village and Town Development Council Bill arjar arpulai nalor kata ka council kala shimru ya ka rai ban thau ya ka Village and Town Administration Department ka ban khmi halor ka jing pentrai kam ya ka building bylaw ka ban yarap ban kenteu bat penne ya ka Pla Tyngka jong ka council lingba ka jing a jing bet ni ka benta ki kam taying taisem bat ki benta ki badan jing dai bat kani usi yang mula pentip ru bal lingba ka tanan arts and culture an sa penmi ya ka jing pen bala ba khnang bagi jaka jong akai ki baladan lepa bat ki kinhon ki biadan benta ki jaka trekam shimet ki bre ki bathamu ban play ki jaka jong akai bat thamai ki de ban yo ya ka permission ne ka no objection certificate ne ka district council Pasusup lo ong ru ban Pynduna ya jing penlut ka council hau ni Snem an Pynduna ru igi Nongtrei jong ka council sha ka 6000 arspa prapu hundreu na ka 6000 lai spa lai pusan bat kiwei ki jing penlut la Pynduna.
The estimated receipt and expenditure of the Jaintia Hills District Council for the ensuing fiscal year 2024-25 which are to be credited or credited to or is to be made from the district fund of District Council as laid down in Rule 109 of the Assam and Area District Constitution of District Council Rule 91 as adopted and amended by this District Council. At the very outset, before the other house deliberate the proposed budget, I'd like to draw the attention of the honourable member to the actual receipt of the council from all sources in the financial year 22-23, which was rupees 130 crore 62 lakh 46,060 crore, only against the total expenditure of rupees 117 crore 81 lakh 88,185 only. The deficit of the board was 19 lakh 42,121. Only was made from surplus of previous year. The detail of the actual receipt and expenditures may be verified from the actual column of the 22-23 shown in the budget. With regard to the current financial year 23-24, the executive committee, through its continuous effort, received of rupees 46 crore 60 lakh 70,500 only from major mineral and 13 crore 96 lakh 86,519 only from minor mineral. Whereas from taxes on motor vehicles, an amount of rupees 14 crore 50 lakh 90,319 only have received till date. The share of revenue released by the state government, along with other revenue received of this council, have been utilized for payment of the pending salary of the members, employees, pensioners of our council. Besides, the fundable of the temporary loan taken from civil work department and other unavoidable contingencies expenditure incurred by the base. It may be mentioned that during the current financial year 2023-24, these rupees 17 lakh only has been received from land reform scheme, whereas from the central responsibility, this council is expected to receive an amount of rupees 3 crore 54 lakh 700 only as first installment from Digital India Land Reform Modernization Program (DIRFP). Coming to the matter in hand, it may be mentioned that the estimated receipt from the council owns is rupees 29 crore 38 lakh 23,800 only, and from the share of revenue from the government is rupees 97 crore 50 lakhs only, while the receipt from the government grant is rupees 77 crore 74 lakhs 99,700 only. Thus, the proposed budget estimated from the ensuing financial year 24-25 bears an estimated receipt of rupees 204 crore 63 lakh 23,500 only, as against the estimated expenditure of rupees 280 crore 22 lakh 60,300 only, thus reflecting a deficit of rupees 30 crore 59 lakh 36,800 only. To overcome the deficit, the script committee committee has undertaken the following steps in order to augment the revenue received of the council. One, introducing the Joint Autonomous State Council, Village and Town Development Council, Bill 2023. The bill has been placed in the House during the winter session held on the 9th November 2023. The same is now being sent to the Honorable Governor of India for receiving his assent. Number two, creation of Village and Town Administration Department to look after the implementation of building bylaw, which will help in improving the financial stability of this council through its building permission, fees, and such like matters. Number three, through its Arts and Culture Department, to issue a public notification so that existing tourist spot and the stakeholder private enterprise persons who seek to open a new tourist spot shall obtain permission and no person from the state council. New augmentation committee, which was created by notification number Jhadc 15 2023 to 1 dated 25/9/2023 to examine, determine, and propose all possible ways to identify the resources where revenue can be generated for improving the financial position of the council. Research the terms of the project already assigned to the committee. It may be noted that the strength of pools in the coming financial year has been reduced to 1,186 from 1,330. And in order to minimize expenditure, the proposed estimate on contingency expenses has been reduced to minimum extent. With great pleasure, I take this opportunity to apprise before this House up to the years 2023 and submitted to the Principal Accountant General, the position of the mission of annual account of the Council is now up to date. Also, for an effective internal control mechanism in the Council and to ensure compliance of rules, acts, procedures, policies, and the Council by each of the departments, and to improve the efficiency in functioning and also to protect the Council from occurrence of fraud, waste of resources, we have created an international audit section during the year 2024. The internal audit section has started functioning independently from September 2023. Further, the new additional office building of Tyngka has been completed and the same was inaugurated on the 5th December 2023. During the current financial year 2023-24, the Council could implement 363 schemes from cash and underground, which include drinking well, water harvesting, water tank, drainage, check dam, fishery pond, ambulance, water canal, solar street light, school building, community hall, sanitation, public toilet, playground, footpath, washing platform, etc. in different localities of the Jhadc state. In conclusion, I would like to say that this executive committee is committed to lead this council in the right direction and to provide clear and effective administration to uplift the people of Jhadc state. Therefore, I appeal to all the honorable members render good cooperation and work hard for securing smooth administration of the Council and for bringing up peace, harmony, prosperity, and development in all spheres of both the district of Jhadc Hills. Lastly, Mr. Chairman Sir, I would like to express my gratitude to you and all the honorable members of this House, officers and staff of our council, for the continuous support they have extended towards the Executive Committee for the last 5 years amidst the difficulties arising out of financial constraints. It is time for us to set aside all our differences and stand united for our